If you're looking for a clear, structured, and professional way to manage your business finances, this business budget template has everything you need in one place. It's powerful, easy to use, and built to help you track income, expenses, vendors, customers, and performance metrics across months and the full year. The template includes 6 interconnected sheets, each playing a key role in your budgeting process. Let's walk through them one by one. We'll start with the setup sheet. This is where you define the drop-down values used throughout the template. You can customize lists like status, assigned to, payment terms, payment method, income and expense categories, and more. Everything you set here is automatically available in the other sheets, saving time and ensuring consistency. Next is the vendor management sheet. Here you log all your vendor details, including names and payment terms. Each vendor gets a unique ID. This sheet is linked to the expenses log, so you can quickly select vendors from a dropdown. You can also add internal notes, ratings, statuses, and more. Then comes customer management, organized the same way. Each customer has a code and basic contact information. This sheet connects to the income records, so logging sales is fast and accurate. You can also track purchase history and other notes relevant to your relationship with the client. Now we move to the core, the income sheet. This is where you enter your revenue data, like date, customer, and income category, along with other financial details. All dropdowns are powered by your setup and customer sheets. Your data is calculated and categorized automatically for future summaries. The expenses sheet works similarly. You record essential expense details such as date, vendor, and category. The sheet connects to the vendor list, and your totals are calculated instantly. You can also track receipts, invoice numbers, and more, depending on how detailed you want to be. Now that your income and expense data is entered, the real magic happens in the monthly summary sheet. Here you simply choose the month and year from the dropdowns, and the dashboard updates automatically. You'll see side-by-side donut charts showing income and expense breakdowns, bar graphs of monthly totals, and tables summarizing exact values by category. It's a fast way to analyze how your business is doing month by month and where your money is really going. Finally, the annual summary gives you the big picture. Choose the year, and the dashboard populates with year-to-date totals for income, expenses, and profit. You'll see your total income, total expenses, and net profit at the top. A visual gauge compares your profit against your set profit goal, and charts break down income and expense categories for the full year. There's also a trend chart showing how your revenue and expenses evolve month by month, helping you make smart decisions and spot patterns. All sheets are fully linked, so once you fill out the income and expense logs, the summaries are generated instantly. No extra setup needed. You can customize categories, update vendor or customer data, and track your business's performance as it evolves. Whether you run a small team, a freelance operation, or a growing company, this template helps you stay in control, track progress, and understand your business finances at every level. The best part? It's ready to use, works in Google Sheets and Excel, and it's completely free. So go ahead, click the link, copy the file, and take your business budgeting to the next level.